At its recent meetings, the Board has spent time discussing the review's recommendations, particularly those that relate to monetary policy decision-making communication. As a result of those discussions, we've decided on the following changes. First of all, from next year, the Board will meet 8 times a year rather than 11 times as is currently the case. 4 of those meetings will be on the first Tuesday of February, May, August and November, and the other 4 meetings will be held midway between those meetings. The exact dates of the meetings for next year will be published soon, and we'll publish dates for future meetings well in advance. Second, the Board meetings will be longer than is currently the case. They'll typically start on the Monday afternoon and then continue on the Tuesday morning. The outcome of the meeting will still be announced at 2:30 on the second day, typically a Tuesday, as it is now. Third, all Board members will have the opportunity to attend an internal staff meeting some time before the actual Board meeting itself. This will allow the Board members to hear directly from and ask questions of a broader range of staff. Fourth, the post-meeting statement announcing the decision will be issued under the name of the Board, not, as is currently the case, the Governor. Fifth, the Governor will hold a media conference after each Board meeting explaining the decision, and the media conference will typically be held at 3:30 p.m, an hour after the decision. Sixth, the quarterly statement on monetary policy will be released at the same time as the outcome of the Board meeting, rather than on the following Friday, as is currently the case. Given this and the other changes we're thinking about, we're reviewing the structure of this quarterly statement. Seventh, the Board, rather than the Governor, will be the signatory to the Statement on the Conduct of Monetary Policy, which is the document that records the common understanding on monetary policy between the Government and the RBA. And the new statement is expected to be finalised later this year, and we're currently working on that. Eighth, the Board will oversee the Bank's research agenda as it relates to monetary policy and aspects of financial stability. And ninth, the Bank will continue with its current approach to climate change analysis, focusing on the implications of climate change for the economy, inflation and the financial system. And 10th, the Board will work with the Treasury to undertake 5-yearly open and transparent reviews of the monetary policy framework. Together, these changes are significant and they represent a substantial response to the recommendations of the review.